This is Ned, this is Len, this is Angel. Angel, come here. Angel. And while I'm preparing to do the Samyang hot Korean spicy noodle challenge, check out some footage that we took over at Siquijor. The trip was okay. We ran into a couple difficulties. The first was the accommodations. They didn't have Wi-Fi and they didn't have TV, even though it was listed in the advertisement. And the other one was, we went on a Saturday and a Sunday. It was just way too many people. We went to High Falls, which is like the most famous waterfall there. And we just couldn't stay there because there was so many people. But check out the footage from Siquijor and where I dropped Lynn off at San Antonio to get the witch doctor to exorcise the demons in her.
So Wak-wak place.
It didn't work. She still has demons.
Alright, so we have arrived at Lugnasan Falls, but now it seems to be called Zodiac Falls. Free waterfall adventure eco park. 12 waterfalls and 100% natural. I think it's hard to make fake waterfalls, but there's Taurus, Aquarius, Cancer, Explorer, Libra, Leo, there's all kinds. Now this is weird because last year the parking area was over there and you had to go down the trail over here. This year they got the parking area over here. They got the sign, and I guess there's an young American guy named Trevor who's been working on this for years, and you can see all the work he's done because last year was just one waterfall. It was Taurus Falls. No, it was Lugnasan. Lugnasan was the only one that was here. Now they've expanded it and they got all kinds of crazy stuff. So we're gonna go check that out now. Wee-hee! Alright, here's our first waterfall. This is Lugnasan. Now remember, last year when I was here, this was the only waterfall that was here. Now there's a whole bunch of other ones. Some of them we're gonna go check out. This brother over here is considering jumping. I don't know if he's gonna do it. Looks like he's getting ready. He's gathering up his courage. He took a deep breath. Here he goes. Okay, he survived. Well, he hasn't come back up yet. There he is. Okay. All right. Outstanding. You can do that?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You're sure?
No, 100%.
I'm not sure if I can do it.
I can do it.
Really?
I'm not scared of heights.
She's not scared of heights.
I'm scared of heights.
Hey! There's also, I guess, a rope swing. Yeah. That's a new inclusion. Damn. That's some crazy shit. We ran out of dongs. These guys are nuts. Whoa! Big foreigner splash. Alright, so here's Lynn. There's a rope. And way down there is the waterfalls. Maybe you can see Brian. Brian, wave! Hey, there's Brian. And Lynn's gonna go off this rope swing into the waterfall way down below. So hopefully everything will go okay. Lynn, good luck. The girl with no fear. She's got no fear. Just be careful, please. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna have to reshoot that. I missed it. Okay, so we completely kicked ass at Lugnasan Falls. We're not even going to explore the other 11 waterfalls because we want to get to the hotel so that we can see the, what do you call it, when the sun goes down, the sunset. Yeah, we're going to try to go see the sunset now. Lugnasan Falls is pretty spectacular, pretty awesome. Lynn showed all of us up by jumping like 37 times to our once. And this guy's getting ready to go. He's got a beard. Fear the beard. Nice.
He's got a beard.
Outstanding. You gotta fear the guys with a beard. And so what do you think of it, Lynn?
It's fun.
It's fun.
So amazing.
2 thumbs up. If you had thumbs. Okay. 2 toes up. Alright, so we're heading back to the hotel. Right now we're trying to find a water spigot for Brian because he's got mud on his chinellas. So, oh, there's one right there. Special shout out to some young American dude named Trevor, who's basically set all this up. I don't know if he's got a non-profit set up or what he's been doing, but he's been building this up for a couple of years, and it's come out really nice. And Brian also thanks Trevor for the water spigot so he can wash off his feetsies.
My feces.
His feces. Speaking of Brian's feces, he's got a parasitical bacterial infection, and he's eating for 2. Yeah. The next 2 are loading up.